In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Base44 website. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few helpful tips so you know what you're seeing on screen and why it matters. Start by heading to the Base4 app homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the All Apps section. This is your central hub. It lists everything available in your workspace so you can quickly jump into an existing project or decide what to work on next. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top of the app's view to narrow things down by name. Search is the fastest way to land on the right project without scrolling. If you don't see what you need, you'll notice an option to create a new app. That's there for starting from scratch, but if your goal is to publish something you've already built, stay focused on the app that's ready to go live. Click your app to open it. This takes you into the editor and preview environment where you can confirm that everything looks good. At the top right, you'll see the Publish button. That's your gateway to making the site available beyond the editor. When the Publish panel opens, you'll see platform choices. Click Web to target a standard website publish. You may also see an option for mobile app. Go ahead and click into mobile app if you want a quick look at what's available there for native distribution. But for this walkthrough, we're focusing on a website, so switch back to web. With web selected, choose Publish App. Base4 handles the build and deployment for you, so there's no need to configure servers or worry about manual uploads. Give it a moment while it processes. When it's finished, you'll see the app URL. This link is your live site address. It's the URL you can share with teammates, stakeholders, or anyone who needs access. A few quick pointers to wrap up. Treat the web option as your default for websites. You can revisit mobile app later if you plan to package your project for phones. If the publish button is grayed out, check that you're in the right app and that your changes are saved. And once you have the live URL, it's a good idea to keep it handy, and if needed, add it to your documentation or bookmarks so you can return to it quickly. That's it. You went from the Base44 apps dashboard, found your project, opened it, selected publish, chose web, confirmed the choice, and received your public URL. You're now published and ready to share.